like it. This is a hot girl summer. All right. Hey, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. It's Nisha Babii. Back at it again with a hair review. Back at it again with a hair review. Stick with me and I'm going to give you the details on this hair. Alright, so jumping straight into this video, I'm going to show y'all how to cover your rubber band. If that's not what you want, trust me, you want to keep watching and I'm going to show you what you got to do. Stay tuned. Now when you're sliding in your crochet needle, making sure that it is closed because we don't want our hair snagged. You want to slide it as I'm showing in the video, a little bit slanted and before the rubber band. So see where it is? Just like that. So we're just going to attach the hair on the hook and slide it right through. And you're going to see that the hair is going to land directly in front of the rubber band to cover. Like so. Alright, so see how the hair has landed directly in front of the rubber band? Like you can't even see it? That's exactly what we want. So make sure when you're doing your hair that it is leveled. And you're going to have 3 strands. You're going to have your hair as one, then the weave on the other side as well as the other side to make 3. Now I have my Murray's beeswax. You can use, leave-in conditioner or gel, whatever you choose to do so. But this time I wanted to go in with my Murray's beeswax. So watch what I do. So I'm just plaiting down about 3 or 4 times, and after I've plaited down to a safe amount where I feel my hair is secure, I'm going to split my hair into 2 and then I will start twisting. Remember, when you are twisting, you want to go with the flow of the curl pattern. So I believe with this hair I am twisting to the left, not the right. Make sure as you're twisting your hair that you add enough product to keep your hair tucked, okay? Because we do not want no flyaways, period. Alright, this is me just checking to see if y'all still watching because we trying to get them views up, okay? So if you are still watching, I'm gonna need you to go in the comment section and type hot girl summer. Okay, type hot girl summer and I'm gonna see how many of y'all watched the video all the way to the end. Okay, let's go. Alright, I'm going to show y'all one more time, just right here. You see how I'm going in with the crochet needle, slant it a little bit and in front of the rubber band. So we can ensure that the rubber band is going to be covered, just like that. If you need to look at it again, just keep rewinding until you get it. Don't worry, I got you. There's this company called Xtrend on Amazon. Of course, y'all know how much I love Amazon. And the color that I have is T350. So believe it or not, this color used to be my mom's go-to color, and it's just so crazy how I am rocking this color now. Like, hey mom, dedicated to you, mommy, love you. So I actually decided to go ahead and go back to my roots, you know, get back to what helped me to do my own hair. And it was this style. This style is super easy to do, as you all saw. I did do the method where you cover the rubber band, but some of my rubber bands are still showing on some of them. Honestly, it doesn't bother me, but if it bothers you to the point where you just like, nah, sis, I don't want that, do what I showed you in the video and you will be all right. But yes, I like this hair. It is 12 inches. And let me tell y'all, this is the lightest passion twist hair I've ever had in my hair. Like, I used to use, what was the company name? Gosh, I gotta think of the name. Hold on, let me look at my history. Oh, Beyond Beauty. I used to use Beyond Beauty all the time. And that hair was good. It was cute, you know, but it did feel like the texture was different. What I like about this hair is that it actually doesn't have a shiny cast at all. And I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. I actually bought another pack of hair. Like, well, the first one was sent to me, but I bought this because I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap these in some locks. I really feel like it'll be a cute style. When I fluffed my hair, what I noticed is that the hair didn't have like that shiny baby doll cast look like most passion twist hair does, and I appreciate that. So just so y'all can get a closer look, pull out one. You see what I'm talking about? Like, it looks natural, like it doesn't have like that shiny cast. So it may look shiny right here because of the light, but once you fluff it out, and I'll tag my video from me fluffing it out, you'll see what I'm talking about. And it feels very lightweight, as most spring hair does. But when I actually put this in my head, I was like, oh yeah, I could definitely rock this for a while, even with the new growth. Because a lot of the times I do take my hair out because the new growth, it just hurts so much, and I'm just like, I can't do it. I can't do it. Boom, it has to go. But with this one, I know for sure that I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna wrap over this to make some locks. And y'all stay tuned for that video, because y'all know I got y'all. I will show y'all the details. But tell me what y'all think about this hair in the comment section below. Like, let me know, because y'all be hitting me up. It just be the same people, which I appreciate, and I love y'all for that. Y'all know who y'all are. And just let me know how you feel, like what's on your mind, because sis, bruh, look at these parts. One day I'm going to do a video of me parting my hair, but honestly, the process be I have to say a prayer, light a few candles, because the struggle is real when you're trying to part your hair. It's easier to do other people's hair, but it's more of a challenge doing your own hair. But let's get into it. And this hair is super long. Even though it's just 12 inches, it's real long. Like, y'all see where it's at. Bam. So, and if you want to, you can stretch it out even more. But I really like this hair. Like, look at the color. The color is what got me. And I know I'll be ordering some more hair. I'll probably switch up the color, but I might be with this color for a minute because I really like this color. Like, T350, you came through. Okay, Xtrend, y'all came through. Thanks for hooking me up with this hair. Thank you for finding me on YouTube. I appreciate the email. And if y'all ever want to do business again, please hit me up, okay? You got me for life. I've already purchased some hair from y'all, so I really appreciate it. But yes, y'all, just look at it. Look at it. Okay, and let's just appreciate my craft over time. I feel like I've gotten better. And that's what we like to see on this channel, is growth. And speaking of growth, thank you to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate y'all. The last few months has been a struggle with getting my subscribers, getting views. And y'all don't understand how much hard work it is to come on here, be consistent, and just putting out content. And not any old content. Like I like to actually put out content that makes sense. So thank you so much for sticking with me, for being a true subscriber, a true watcher. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all the love and support you provide to my channel. It means so much. And I just want y'all to know, if there is any type of content that you would like to see that I have not yet dropped, please put that information in the comment section below, okay? And I will do it. So I'm not gonna be long on this video. I mean, I feel like the hair speaks for itself. Y'all see what it does and how pretty it is and how easy it is to manage, like, and I just love it. And on that note, before I go, I'm gonna need for y'all to hit that subscribe button and ding that bell so you're not what? Left behind, because you don't want to be in the rear. You don't want to be back there, boo. You want to be up here with me getting this tea and this knowledge when I drop it. All right, I'll see y'all till next time. Bye.